Put this in any corner of your house. Look what happens in 24 hours. Did you know that the power of negative energy can be detrimental to your family's health? You may not know this, but negative energy caused by feelings of sadness, anger, envy and hate can radiate through your home, adversely influencing the mood around your home. Luckily for you, you can greatly boost positive energy in your home and drive away all the negative energy with a simple trick. All you need to accomplish this neat trick are these naturally occurring ingredients. Table salt, a pinch. Clean water, 2 tablespoons. White vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Note: you will need a single transparent glass cup for this trick. Preparation and use. In your glass cup add the water, salt and white vinegar. Leave the transparent glass in a place where you and your family spend a lot of time and also where visitors come into your home, like in the corner of your living room. You should leave the glass there for a period of 24 hours and observe the reaction of the salt in the glass cup. You may observe the salt rising above the water or vice versa. You should rinse off the contents of the glass cup after 24 hours and repeat the trick. Keep observing. Once the salt stops rising above the water, then you know that your home is filled with positive energy. Make sure you try this trick in different parts of your home and also keep the glass cup out of sight of people to ensure that it works effectively by absorbing negative energies.